There is no insoluble contradiction between faith and science because there cannot be two kinds of truth. Greetings of peace, my dear friends. Welcome to our weekly online catechesis. Is there a contradiction between faith and science? That's question number 23, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. The Catechism answers it this way. There is no insoluble contradiction between faith and science because there cannot be two kinds of truth. It means there is not one truth of faith that is in competition with another truth of science. There is only one truth to which both faith and scientific reason refer. God intended reason, with which we can recognize the rational structures of the world, just as He intended faith. That is why the Christian faith demands and promotes the natural sciences. Faith exists so that we might know things that are not apparent to reason, yet are real, above and beyond reason. Faith reminds science that it is supposed to serve creation and not to set itself up in place of God. Science must respect human dignity instead of violating it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I advise you to share it and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.